Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Legend with Purpose project Under the Spotlight. Here, individuals are allowed to explore themselves in pursuit of their purpose. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson, and I'm your host. The Legend with Purpose project allows individuals to pause, take a quiet moment and listen, be introspective, and engage self-reflection in pursuing their purpose to unleash possibilities with far-reaching implications for self and others. Today, the Legend with Purpose project spotlight is on Miss Simoy Brown. Miss Brown is a processing officer for the Cannabis Authority in Jamaica. She's a booking agent for entertainers, a music producer, a business consultant, and a company director. Let us welcome Miss Brown to the Legend with Purpose project on the spotlight.
Thank you for having me, Dr. Stephenson, and I look forward to our fruitful and enlightening conversation this afternoon.
I like that, fruitful and enlightening conversation. So, Ms. Brown, I am pleased to welcome you to the Legend with Purpose project on the spotlight. I too am looking forward to an engaging, insightful, and interactive conversation with you about a topic that is arguably one of the most consequential concepts in forming how we function as individuals and ultimately what we perceive as our legacy.
Okay, so yes, I look forward to having those discussions with you and to talk more deeply about our purpose and how we will be able to better align with our purpose as individuals.
So, Ms. Brown, today, as you noted, you will be exploring yourself in pursuit of your purpose. I will be asking you a series of questions relating to purpose. Are you ready for us to do it?
You can go ahead.
That is awesome. So, you know, purpose is one of those concept topics that many people perceive it to be such a huge, big deal. So given that is the case, I am going to ask you to define purpose, but do so in a general way.
So purpose has to do with yourself as an individual, how you view yourself, your identity. It has also to do with the people who are involved in your life as well as the everyday things that make up our life adds to each and every one of us purpose.
So I take it that those everyday things are very important. And
yes.
Given that that is a part of your definition, your broad definition for purpose, would you say then that it is important that individuals like you, me, and others to have a good understanding of what their purpose is?
Yes. I do believe that as individuals, if we're able to understand our purpose or the value that our purpose have on our life, then I'm of the view that things will be a little better and persons would have a clearer understanding of who they are as an individual, where they would like to see themselves going, and how they can get to achieve those goals as a part of their purpose.
It's all valid, reasons why we should have a better understanding of our purpose. So thank you for that. Let's talk about your specific purpose. Tell me about that.
Sure, thank you for asking. So my purpose, I'm of the view that I was created for a lot of things. My purpose entails so many different things. One, I do believe in giving our best as a part of my purpose. So whatever tasks we are engaged in, I'm of the view that we should give it 100% as being a part of our purpose and as being a part of doing our best. Secondly, I would add that helping the less fortunate is a part of my purpose. During the COVID period, myself and another friend, we started a charitable organization where we came up with the idea that we noticed that a lot of elderlies in our communities were suffering. So we thought that this was a part of our way of giving back, where we would ask other friends of ours to contribute food items, tin stuff, clothing, materials, whatever it is. I found that to be a part of my purpose. Once I started doing it, I realized that I was so committed. Every Saturday I wanted to go out. I found that to be a part of my purpose, my story, my journey. So it involves so much, and we could go on and on about the different purposes that exist. But I'm of the view that we're here to do more than we were created for, sometimes more than we think that we can do.
You know, giving back is a common theme in your purpose. I see.
Yes.
And the nonprofit charity that you organize and now you're running, what kind of success and support are you getting from others?
All right, so the charity is not current at this time because it was created during the COVID pandemic. Now the pandemic has eased. I've kind of shifted gears into some other different things, which has kind of limited my ability to participate fully in the charity. But there are other persons who have taken on the responsibility that I had previously. And as such, there are other persons who have taken on the role that I had before. So it is still existent.
Because as you know, the need to take care of the less fortunate is a never-ending one.
Never ending.
Never
So
ending.
yes. So I'm in touch with the persons who are in charge, and they have managed to carry on the role and responsibilities that I previously had.
Awesome, awesome. Sound like you had some good succession planning going on.
We did. It was a lot of work, but we managed to do our best.
Awesome. So what is it that informs your purpose? Was it an event, a series of events, or is it a question of destiny?
All right, so my purpose, what I can safely say to you, Dr. Stephenson, I pray each day. I give thanks to God for his wisdom in my life, for guidance, for protection, for knowledge, for understanding. And more recently, a friend said to me, not a friend really, but an associate, he said to me that, Simoy, I don't know how you do it, but I'm astonished at some of the things that you do and some of the things that you are involved in. What I can safely say to you, Dr. Stephenson, is that as a part of my purpose or my journey, I realize that I have been blessed with a good support system. And the support system that I speak of are in the form of coworkers, mentors, friends, family members, and associates. So what I find happening is that persons look out for you. Persons are able to call your names in rooms where your names are not even mentioned or you would not even thought. But persons may call your name in rooms and persons may open doors of opportunities for you. So I find that as a part of our journey, surrounding ourselves with people who are able to inspire us, take us to new heights, help us to soar in our personal goals or development or careers or families, or helping us to develop as individuals, help us along this journey of purpose or finding our purpose or finding our goals here in life.
You know, much of finding your purpose is knowing who you are, right?